it's Angela here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you like honest reviews and tutorials and beauty stuff that we all love and crave. If you're not new here, thank you so much for watching and welcome back. So I wanted to share this really nice, more on the natural side type of look. It's not supposed to be something that's perfect. It's just more of like a nice put together look on the go, something you could do real fast. And yeah, I didn't use a lot of products, and it's just like more of like, for me, this is more of like a fresh face type of look, and I really like this. So if you like what you see, please keep watching. So I'm gonna start with the Born This Way concealer right here, and I'm just going to go to the spots where I need the most help, which is under my eyes. Right here I have some redness. As you can see, I have some breakouts happening. Here's a spot from me threading my mustache. And I have some dark spots right here. So I'm just going to kind of lightly spot conceal and kind of, yeah, just kind of dab where I need it the most, and a little in the middle, kind of balance everything out. And yeah, a little on my nose, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm just going to do that, and I'm gonna blend everything in. So blending this in, I'm gonna take whatever's on this on my eyelid. Again, so I'm not going for perfection here. I'm going for like quick put together look. And so I have, this is how everything is blended, and it's not perfect, and it's not going to be perfect because I'm not trying to be perfect right now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some powder real quick, and I'm going to just going to take these two just to add a little bit of brightness in the areas that I need it, and kind of seal the deal so I don't crease. I'm just like roughly doing this. This is not precise. It's like kind of going where I need it. All right, next I'm just going to quickly take a bronzer, and the bronzer that I'm taking is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. It's like my all-time old fave. And I'm just take a big fluffy brush like this, swirl, and I'm not like majorly contouring. I'm just swirling and kind of giving myself a little bit of a nice glow. This is just for like a little bit of a glowiness, kind of. Oh yeah, I look like I'm sun-kissed naturally. So we don't want too much on, because again, we just want to look put together, and we want to just look like this is kind of natural. So yeah. And then I'm gonna go in with some blush, and I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs blush in Flesh and Fantasy. It looks like this. Okay, and I'm just going to dab some. Kind of matches my lip color. And I'm just going to dab. And I'm gonna take the concealer brush, and to just blend it out, I'm just going to go like this. Okay. All right, that looks good. I like it. And then I'm also gonna put a little bit on my nose, just a little, for a little bit of color. Okay, so we're done with that, and now I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick. So I have my current favorite eyebrow pencil, and I do have a video on this, so if you want to check that out. And I'm just going to brush my eyebrows down. You know, this looks crazy, but this works for me. And I'm gonna fill it in the inside right here. I'm gonna pull it up. I feel like eyebrows really, really frame your face, so you wanna make sure this is one you do. They are, and now what I'm going to do is actually add a little bit of this Benetint rose tinted lip. It's called Benetint. So I'm just going to put some on my cheeks. Just add a little bit of more of like a baby blush type of look. Okay. So it's like giving me that really nice pink natural blush vibe. And it kind of cancels out the powder, so it looks like really nice and natural. Okay, I really like this a lot. You can even use this on your lips if you want. I can use some right now to show you guys. Just kind of dab some. Just like, if you wanted to just go out like this with like some natural color, this is totally doable. Okay. I know it's like super subtle, but that's the point. Okay. So now I'm going to just curl my lashes and put my mascara on. And a pump, and a 2, and a 3. That looks so good. Okay, and I'm gonna pop some mascara on. This mascara is life. So I have my mascara on, and instead of black eyeliner, I'm just gonna use brown, and I'm gonna use my current favorite eyeliner as well in brown. It is the Epic Ink Eyeliner from NYX. And so I have my eyeliner on and everything, and so as you can see, the brown is way more subtle than black. It's like you still have your eyeliner, because I'm one to have my eyeliner on. I'm a big eyeliner girl, and it just makes me feel happy. And so yeah, I have my eyeliner, and then next I'm going to spray my face again with Caudalie. Spray it all over. This will help me with the dewiness that I'm looking for, and like that glow effect that I want of like really healthy, nice skin. And you just want to look like super natural and just a nice glow within. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, after this, while it's still wet a little bit, I'm going to dab a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury highlight. So actually I'm going to put some on my hand, so it's very, very subtle. And I'm just going to dab it right on the high point. Do you see how nice this is? Like, it's just very subtle. Just giving me a nice glow, like a glow within. Again, I don't want it to be super harsh, so that's why I put it on my hand. And I'm just taking it off from here instead of putting it directly on my face. Yeah, I'm almost done. And then now I'm just gonna do my, I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder just so I don't get greasy or like, I'm gonna use a Charlotte Tilbury powder that kind of broke right under my eye though, just right here and on the chin. Okay, and then I'm going to finish it off with some lips. So I love these two colors. Actually, I got this like on an Ipsy bag a while ago, this Tarte color. I need to figure out what the heck it is. Oh, it's called Birthday Suit. That's what it is. BareMinerals liquid lipstick type of dealio in Weekend Matte. In Weekend, and it's also matte. So I discovered this combo. If you guys know me, you know that I love mixing products and creating my own custom color. And so I'm gonna start with this. It's like practically gone. I need that. You guys see how natural this is? So freaking natural. I love it. It feels really nice too. And I'm just gonna take the BareMinerals and then put it on top. Go back in with this. Just tone it down. There's like barely anything in here. And I'm almost done, and so I'm just gonna take my last setting spray, which is gonna be the iconic London Prep Set and Glow. And I'm just going to spray it all over my face. This is real wet. So here's the final look. I'm gonna come up close so you guys could see it. It's super easy and fast, as you guys can see. This is as natural as I like to be. Like, I don't know, makeup just makes me super happy. So this is my version of like a no makeup look. I feel like for the lips, you could leave them bare if that's what you're going for. Otherwise, you can just work with this. So yeah, so this is it. It's my go-to glowy makeup on the run for the grocery store or anything small, like picking up the kids from school, just so you look put together. And it really does not take long. I know, obviously, because I had to explain this, it took me a while to do, but this would literally take me like maybe 8 minutes or so. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I really like it. And I'm a little extra with the setting sprays. That's optional. I just really like a nice dewy face, and so this is what gives me that nice dewy face. Yep, that's all, folks.